scout keeps his body and mind fit and clean. He goes around with those who believe in living by the same ideals. He keeps his home and his community clean.
A scout is clean. A scout is reverent.
A scout is reverent towards God. He is faithful in his religious duties.